Honda Beat Carb, paandarin natin ito kahit walang wire harness. Yan, walang wire harness. Pero yung gamit natin 4-pin CDI, battery operated, at merong regulator para umandar siya. Dahil kung walang regulator, hindi ito andar dahil walang battery. Ito lang dalawa ang ating kailangan, regulator at saka yung 4-pin CDI, battery operated. Yung magneto natin stock pa rin, walang tabas. Check natin kung andar ba. Yan, gagana po siya kahit walang wire harness, walang battery.